Hey everyone, this is the OG, the Ric Flair Crypto, coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live, and we need to talk about the elephant in the room, the big dump that we had. Why did we have this huge freaking dumpski? And a lot of people are wondering what happened, scratching their heads out there. We're going to be talking about that, and we did see a huge freaking sell-off out there. And this was mainly due to one reason, one single freaking reason. And that reason is obvious to everybody out there. And that was because the Jerome Powell, he was supposed to drop the interest rates, but he didn't. The interest rates remained unchanged, the FOMC out there. And we had some dissension in the Treasury Department. We did see that two of the Treasury governors are actually against Jerome Powell's decision. And they're also scratching their head. I'm scratching my head out there. We did see that Bitcoin dumped as low as 116,000 and change. We did see that XRP went as low as 304. We did see that Dogecoin went to as low as 21 cents out there. So this huge XRP Dogecoin crypto warning, guys. Breaking news. Breaking news. Jerome Powell did not reduce the interest rates as we expected. That really sucks. But you know, there's no way that the interest rates are not going to be dropped in September. So we did see the stock market dump, but the good thing there's been a huge leverage flush out. That is pretty good because there was a lot of long leverage positions. They have all been flushed out right now. So that is extremely good news for the crypto market out there. So right now, time of recording, we're seeing that Bitcoin has come back from the bottom of 116,000. It's now 118,000. We're seeing XRP is now bounced back to $3.14 for 304. So that is pretty good. And Dogecoin has come back to 22 cents. But we're seeing a lot of the altcoins further down the list. They have dumped. Like, you know, Jupiter on the Solana network, it's gone down like 30-40%. We're seeing other altcoins, other shit coins, they've just like dumped like 30-40%. But luckily that XRP is still holding very strong, very strong out there at $3. So I'm excited about that, and that really shows something, the tenacity of XRP, and that something huge is going to happen to XRP. I still think that August is going to be very good for XRP as long as we can hold this $3 and $3 level. There is no problems whatsoever. So you know, $3 is like like super like it's like iron level support out there. So that is pretty good out there. I'm gonna walk around this poolside while I'm talking to you. So you know, our next level of resistance is around about $3.30. If we can get past $3.30, it's going to be fantastic in the membrane out there. It's going to be insanity out there. So I'm feeling pretty excited, as you should be excited about what's about to happen to cryptocurrency. I think August is going to be very good out there. Now I'm walking down these stairs. If I fall on my butt and the camera drops, you know that OG has had an accident out there. So let's see, we got this little deck thing happening here. So yeah, it's a great time to be alive. So yeah, September, we better get the rate cuts out there. We better freaking get the rate cuts. If we don't, I think that's it, game over. Freaking game over out there. So I'm really expecting a rate cut. I'm very disappointed. I am so disappointed that Jerome Powell did not cut the rates. And basically there's dissension in the Treasury Department right now. They're really split out there, and even Donald Trump is calling out Jerome Powell out there. Guys, what do you think? Jerome Powell is a knucklehead, he doesn't know what he's doing, or he's smarter than all of us and he's got something happening? I just wonder if him holding up the interest rates really high, I wonder if that is really purely political, because we all know that if we reduce the interest rates, it's going to allow businesses to borrow money cheaper. It's going to help the economy. It's going to push the economy higher and higher. And that is also going to help people and retail to ape into crypto. And that's going to move the prices. That's absolutely going to move the prices. So that's freaking good news, guys, if we get the rate decreases. But so far, I'm not too excited about what's going on. Hopefully Jerome Powell doesn't wimp out again, as he always does. So yeah, so huge XRP breaking news, guys. so disappointed with Jerome Powell. Let's freaking get it. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Don't do that. Dollar cost average. Remember, never invest all your money in one crypto, because if that crypto goes down, you get wiped out, right? So remember, reduce your risk at all times. Diversification is key out there. So yeah, it's the OG. I'm in a freaking elevator right now. It's hot. Look. We got tons of OGs out there. So it's a great time to be alive. So I'm loving it. I'm going to Australia, by the way, middle of August. So if anybody's in Australia, DM me and we'll absolutely get together, guys. So I'll see you in the freaking next one. I love you guys. Peace out.